Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Stock Market with your free Dow analysis for the New York trading session dated Sunday 13th of March, just after markets have opened for after hours trading. This is my daily wave count for the Dow. I had several wave counts in last analysis, all of them recognising that we had a triangle forming here and only one expecting price to move out strongly downwards from the triangle. I had a guide presented for you to use to work with those several wave counts. So this is the only single wave count which now remains valid for my last analysis. It looks like we're going to see further upwards movement from the Dow. This wave count is bullish. It looks like we've just seen a zigzag for a fourth wave at blue or minor degree, with an impulse down for wave A, a triangle for wave B, and a sharp impulse to end it downwards for wave C pink to end wave 4 blue. This wave count expects continuing upwards movement from the Dow, and at 12,519, wave C black will reach 0.618 the length of wave A black. As we have further upwards movement to analyse, I can refine this target for you and hopefully make it a little bit accurate. We should keep drawing these trend lines for this triangle on daily charts from A to C and extend it outwards, also from B to D and extend it outwards. The point in time at which these trend lines of this triangle cross may well see a fairly decent trend change for the Dow. So we should keep that one in mind. This wave count expects no new all-time highs. The invalidation point is at 14,198. Taking you to an hourly chart where this high for B and this low for C is this high for B up here, the end of the triangle, and here's the C wave to the downside, which is a very, very nice impulse, a lovely impulsive wave count, and some nice Fibonacci ratios within it. Thereafter we have this impulse down for wave C, between ratios at green degree, but within wave C pink, wave 3 green here is 4 points short of 4.236, the length of wave 1 green, an unusual Fibonacci ratio but mathematically correct. There's no Fibonacci ratio between wave 5 green and either 3 or 1 green within the C wave. Within this third wave at orange degree, wave 3 orange has no Fibonacci ratio to wave 1, but wave 5 is just 9 points longer than equality with wave 1. Within the third wave, the central part of this, wave 3 purple has no Fibonacci ratio to wave 1 purple, but wave 5 purple is 4 points short of 0.618 the length of this third wave, so some reasonably decent Fibonacci ratios in there. Thereafter it looks like we have a 1 expanded flat for 2 when I look at this in a 15-minute chart, a third wave, a fourth wave which has just managed to stay out of wave 1 price territory. We should be expecting further upwards movement for a fifth wave to end wave 1 green, and then we'll have a second wave correction which may move right down to the start of wave 1 at 11,888 but not below, so this is where the invalidation point will sit on the hourly chart. If we see movement below 11,888, then it's likely that this fourth wave at blue degree is unfolding as a larger impulse, and this would be wave 1, and the upwards movement would be a second wave. We'll have strong confirmation of this wave count when price moves above the start of wave C pink, above 12,253. At that point, we will know that this degree of labelling for this downwards piece of movement, this impulse here, is correct, and we're in the fifth wave to the upside. So it would probably be wise to wait for that confirmation of that wave count. At that point, I'll have a lot more confidence in seeing new highs for the Dow. That's all for me today with your Dow analysis, and I hope that everyone else has had a most awesome weekend.